Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for your first sewing machine or want to gift one to a loved one, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the RX Mealy Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine. This compact and lightweight machine is designed for beginners who want a simple, affordable option for basic sewing tasks. With 12 built-in stitches, including options for straight, decorative, and curved stitches, it offers enough versatility for light home projects like hemming, patchwork, and simple garment repairs. The dual power modes, AC adapter, or 4 AA batteries make it portable and convenient, especially if you need to sew on the go. In terms of design, the RX Mealy is compact, measuring just over 10 inches in width and weighing under 5 pounds. It's easy to store and ideal for small spaces. While the build quality feels more on the budget side, it's sufficient for occasional use. The threading guides printed on the body are a helpful touch for beginners. And the reverse stitch function adds extra utility for reinforcing seams. However, the machine can struggle with thicker fabrics, so it's best suited for lightweight materials. The major downside here is the lack of long-term durability and mixed user reviews. Some users reported issues like jamming or broken needles, which means you'll need to handle the machine with care. That said, for its price point, it's a good starting option if you're not ready to invest in a more advanced machine. Pros include portability, dual power modes, and beginner-friendly features, while cons are its limited durability and difficulty with heavy fabrics. Coming in at number 4, we have the KPCB Tech Sewing Machine for Beginners. This mini machine offers a unique touch, shipping with 20 pre-cut fabric squares and a full toolkit to get you started right out of the box. With its double thread design, it's capable of sewing up to 5 layers of fabric, which is impressive for its size. The machine is equipped with a finger guard for added safety, making it a great option for younger users or absolute beginners. The design is compact and lightweight, making it a portable option for small spaces or travel. The inclusion of an extension table is a thoughtful addition, ensuring you have enough workspace for larger projects. KPCB Tech also provides access to a library of tutorial videos, which is fantastic for beginners who prefer hands-on guidance. That said, the machine's small motor means it's not ideal for heavy-duty sewing, and its performance on thicker fabrics can be inconsistent. This machine is a good pick if you're looking for a starter kit with extras like fabric bundles and a sewing toolkit. However, the limited stitch patterns and lower overall power make it less versatile than some of the higher-ranked options. Pros include portability, safety features, and helpful tutorials, while cons are limited stitch variety and struggles with heavy fabrics. At number 3, we have the Samanabu Sewing Machine for Beginners. This versatile machine comes with 12 built-in stitches, including decorative, straight, and buttonhole stitches, which makes it a great option for beginners who want to experiment with a variety of techniques. The dual control system allows you to choose between using a foot pedal or push-button operation, providing flexibility in how you work. Additionally, the adjustable speed settings make it easy to switch between slow, precise stitching and faster workflows. The design is well thought out, with clear threading guides and an LED work light to illuminate your workspace. It's also lightweight at just 5 pounds, making it easy to move around or store. The Samanabu stands out for its ability to handle up to 6 layers of fabric, which is more than many machines in this category can manage. However, with only 4 customer reviews so far, the long-term reliability of this newer product remains to be seen. This machine is ideal for beginners who want a compact, portable option that doesn't skimp on features. While it's not as robust as the top 2 picks, it offers excellent value for its price. Pros include its dual control system, adjustable speeds, and ability to handle multiple layers, while cons are the lack of a proven track record and limited stitch options compared to higher-end models. At number 2, we have the Brother GX37 Sewing Machine. This is the most affordable option in our lineup, priced at just $109.98, but it doesn't skimp on features. With 37 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, it's versatile enough for both beginners and more experienced users. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin make setup easy and frustration-free, while the included 6 sewing feet add even more functionality. The design of the GX37 is sleek and intuitive, with a free arm feature that makes it perfect for sewing sleeves, cuffs, and other cylindrical items. At just over 10 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, striking a nice balance between portability and durability. The instructional DVD is a nice touch for beginners who prefer visual learning, and Brother's reliable customer support ensures you're covered for any issues. This machine is a fantastic choice for those looking for a well-rounded, budget-friendly option. While it's not as lightweight as some mini machines, it offers significantly more features and better build quality. Pros include its wide range of stitches, ease of use, and excellent value for the price, while cons are its slightly bulkier size compared to portable models. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brother XM2701 sewing machine, which is our top pick for beginners. This full-featured machine offers 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches, along with an auto-size buttonhole. The automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin make it incredibly user-friendly, and the included accessories, 6 sewing feet, a twin needle, and more, give you everything you need to start sewing right away. The design is lightweight at just 12.6 pounds, but it feels sturdy and well-made. The free arm is a standout feature for sewing sleeves and cuffs, and the machine handles a wide range of everyday sewing tasks with ease. Whether you're stitching lightweight fabrics or tackling slightly thicker materials, the XM2701 performs reliably. Brother's at-your-side support is another big plus, offering free technical help via chat, phone, or online. While it's the most expensive option on this list, at $129.99, the XM2701 justifies its price with its versatility, ease of use, and excellent build quality. It's perfect for beginners who want a machine they can grow with over time. Pros include its premium features, reliable performance, and extensive accessory set, while cons are limited to its higher price point compared to the budget options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy sewing!